All right, we're going to work on homework chapter 6.1, simplifying rational expressions. So, if we have fraction with x, then we call it rational expressions. Let's see how we are going to solve 15x minus 45x squared. 15x minus 45 x squared and divided by 15x. Okay. Since this is common denominator, this denominator belongs to both terms, right? And 15x and 45x squared. So I'm taking and separating 15x and minus 45x squared over 15x, right? So, and what do I get? Here is I'm getting 1, because it cancel each other, 1, and 45 and 15 is going to be 1 and 3. 45 you can divide by 15, it's a 3 times. And x squared and x, here is 1. So when we divide x, we subtract exponents. 2 minus 1 is 1, minus 3x. 1 minus 3x. What is interesting that they don't even ask what is x cannot be. You just need to know that x can never be 0 because we cannot divide by 0. Okay? All right, 1 minus 3x. Next question. X squared plus 6x minus 7 over x plus 7. Okay, well, we see here trinomial, quadratic trinomial. How can we, yes, we can factor it. It's going to be x minus 7, no, x plus 7, x minus 1. 7 times negative 1 is 7, and positive 7 minus 1 is positive 6. Why I switched minus 7 to positive 7? Because my 6 is plus. If I was going first put minus 7 and plus 1, then I would get result negative 6. But that's wrong. I have to get positive 6. That's why my 7 has to be positive here, and divided by x plus 7. So canceling x plus 7, and the answer is x minus 1. Okay? Question number 3. Okay, this one I can't memorize. I need to write down. Let's move to notebook, work this out. So we have 28x minus 12 over 15 times 10 over 3 minus 7x. Okay, from what I see, 10 and 3 minus 7x, I can do nothing there. 28 over 28x minus 12. Here I can take 4 as a common factor out. It's going to be 7x minus 3. Here I will get 15 times 10 over 3 minus 7x. This is interesting. Look at that. 3 minus 7x, 7x minus 3. What can I do with this here? I'm going to put negative sign in front of fraction and put 4 times 3 minus 7x. You can put negative sign in front of fraction and flip. Or you could put negative sign in front of 10 over 3 minus x and flip would be negative 10 over 7x minus 3. Doesn't matter which one. And times, this is 10, this is 3 minus 7x. So as a result, this is canceling each other. Let me put this negative here. It's going to be 15 and 10 I can reduce by 5, will be 3, by 5 will be 2, and result is going to be 4 times 2 is 8 over 3. Okay, did I write down correct? Let me double check. 28, taking off 7x minus 3. Okay, yeah, negative 8 over 3. Question number 4. Let me take picture again. So we have 4x plus 4 over 6x plus 24 times 2x minus 8, 4x squared minus 4. So what do we get? We are going to get the following. So 4x plus 4, I'm going to take 4 as a common factor and I will get x plus 1. 6x plus 24, I can take out 6 and I will have left x plus 4, right? Every term divide by 6. 6x by 6x will be left. 24 divided by 6, 4 will be left. Okay, multiply. 2x minus 8, I can take out 2, will be x minus 4. 4x squared minus 4, I'm taking 4 out, x squared minus 1. Let's see what I'm going to do here. X squared minus 1, remember the formula? A squared minus b squared equal a plus b times a minus b, right? Which means here it's going to be x squared minus 1 it's going to be x minus 1 times x plus 1, correct? Which means x plus 1, I'm canceling here with x plus 1. And, oh, this is plus, sorry, this is plus here, 2x plus 8, which is also x plus 8. I checked the original problem because I'm looking x plus 4, x minus 4, how most likely it should cancel. So here, x plus 4, we cancel. So this 4, I'm canceling with this 4, and 2 and 6, I can divide by 2. This is 1, 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay, what do we have left here? 1 over 3 times x minus 1. And that will be our answer. 1 over 3 times x minus 1. Over 3 times x minus 1. Closing parenthesis, and we got it. Next one. Okay, let me take next picture here. Let's go to solve. So we get a cubed plus a squared b plus a plus b divided by 3a cubed plus 3a times 18a squared over 9a squared minus 9b squared. All right, first thing, I see here in first fraction, in numerator, I see 4 terms. First thing click in my head, that's grouping. So I'm going to write down a cubed plus a squared b plus a plus b Okay, at the bottom, I can take out 3a, and I will have a squared plus 1, right? A cubed divided by a is a squared, and then a divided by a is 1. And we have that 3. 18a squared. Now here, 9a squared minus 9b squared. So 9 is a common factor. A squared minus b squared, because in parentheses will be left a squared minus b squared, right? So the same way, I can open it, a plus b times a minus b. Yes? So from here, a plus b is canceling with a plus b. What else do I have? I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Hold on. Hold on. I rushed. 1 second. There we go. Well, I have here plus. So I have to finish my grouping. I didn't finish my grouping. 1 second, 1 second. So in this first case, this one, I have to take common factor out, right? Because I'm doing grouping. Let's see what we have here. A cubed plus a squared. I can take out a squared. I will have a plus b plus a plus b. Never ever cancel the way I did cancel. I just didn't look at plus. Because this term, when I tied up with addition or subtraction, you can never separate them and cancel it. Okay, that's equal. Plus 1 times 18 a squared times 9a plus b times a minus b. And finally, I am going to take between these two, 1 and 2, they have common factor a plus b, right? A plus b, and I will have from this piece, I will have a squared. From the second one, I will have plus 1. Now I'm done. Now I can cancel as much as I can. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, and from here, what am I doing? A squared plus 1, a squared plus 1, canceling. And then a plus b, canceling with a plus b. Next, I can cancel here a squared and a. And a, because this is 1, right? A squared divided, look, a squared divided by a, here is 1, equal a to power 2 minus 1, which is a. Therefore, I cancel, I scratch 2, but a survived. And lastly, it's going to be, let me see, 18 and 3. I can reduce by 3, right? Actually, I have better chance. 18 and 9, divide by 9. This is going to be 1, and this is going to be 2. And my answer is going to be, on the top, I have 2a left. At the bottom, I have 3 times, and a minus b. 3a. And that's it. That's the answer. 2a over 3 times a minus b. 2a three times a minus b. Next one, number 6. Okay. X squared minus 16x plus 64 over x squared minus 4x minus 32, dividing by, this time, x squared minus 64 over 9. Okay, let's see. So first of all, x squared minus 16x plus 64, it's going to be x minus 8 squared, full square, perfect square. Look here, a squared, this is b squared, which is going to be 8 squared, right? And then here will be 2 times x, and then times b is going to be, this is x, and times 8. Let me, instead of b, I put 8, so there we go. Minus, and here is plus, will be 16x. Therefore, we are getting x minus 8 squared. And at the bottom, let me see. At the bottom, we can't get perfect square because no number squared will give you 32. So let me see if I can factor it. X, negative 8, positive 4. Negative 8 times 4, 32. Negative 8 and positive 4 is negative 4. Dividing, since we are doing division, I'm going to flip fraction. 9 is coming here. X squared minus 64, it's a squared, meaning x to power 2 minus 8 to power 2. A plus b, a minus b, right? Which is going to be x minus 8 times x plus 8. Okay? Well, let's see. X minus 8 squared, here we have 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This is gone. This is 2 is going away. And I have x minus 8 left. And then this x minus 8, I can cancel with this x minus 8. And that's it. And we are getting 9 over x plus 4 times x plus 8. Okay? Fantastic. Question number 7. Let me take a picture of it. This is going to be something similar. X squared minus 4x minus 12 over 2x squared minus 72 times x squared times, or division. I believe it's division. Okay. X squared plus 8x plus 12 over x squared plus 12x plus 36. All right. So what are we doing here? X squared minus 4x minus 12. Can I FOIL it? Yes. It's going to be x minus 6 times x plus 2. And over, if I'm taking 2 out, I'm getting x squared minus 36, right? Which we can break down x minus 6 and x plus 6, right? A squared minus b squared. Next, dividing by. Okay, I don't want to flip yet. Let me take care of this. This one is going to be x plus 6, x plus 2, right? 6 times 2 is 12, 6 plus 2 is 8. And this one is going to be x plus 6 squared, or x plus 6, x plus 6. Either way. You can use it as a factoring and you can use it as a perfect square. Okay, now let's flip it. X minus 6, and remember one thing, you flip only second fraction. You don't dare flip the first fraction. It will take you straight to the woods and leave you in the woods. X minus 6, x plus 2 over twice x minus 6, x plus 6. Now multiplying x plus 6, x plus 6, flipping, right? And at the bottom, x plus 6, x plus 2. Okay, so x minus 6, x minus 6, and then x plus 2, x plus 2. And here we are getting x plus 6, x plus 6. And my answer is going to be here. On the top, I have x plus 6. At the bottom, I have twice x plus, oh, I can cancel this x plus 6 also. I didn't pay attention. Okay. And this also I can cancel. So the result is I will get 1/2, 1 over 2. That's all. And the last question. Okay, let's see what we have here. So, taking picture. Let's finish this one also, and we will be done with this problem, with this assignment. So 3x minus x squared over x cubed minus 27. Okay, we have difference of cubes. X cubed minus 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27. Okay, and here is division. X over x squared plus 3x plus 9. And do I get here? In numerator, first fraction. In numerator, I have common factor x. I will have 3 minus x. Second one, x cubed minus 27. That's going to be, let me write down here, x cubed minus 3 cubed, right? From here, I'm going to open, remember formula, a cubed minus b cubed is equal a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, let's go for it. It's going to be x minus 3 and equal x squared plus ab, which is x times 3, 3x, and plus 3 squared, which is going to be 9. Okay, division. So flipping x squared plus 3x plus 9 coming to the top. So it's going to be a perfect square, either x plus 3 squared or x plus 3, x plus 3. I put x plus 3, x plus 3. It's easier to cancel later. And 9 comes here. Now, x squared plus 3x plus 9. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. 3 times 3 is 9, but 3 plus 3 is 6. So I'm going to leave it the way it is, but I still can cancel it. It's identical we have at the bottom. So it's going to be x squared plus 3x plus 9. Okay. Well, let's see what we have here. We are canceling this x with x. And then I'm canceling. Oh, I have 3 minus x, x minus 3. So I have to put negative sign in front. So to be able to cancel, because one of them will become, Either 3 or minus x or x minus 3, doesn't matter which one, and I can cancel those now since I have negative in front. And I have here x squared plus 3x plus 9, x squared plus 3x plus 9. And my answer is going to be negative 1. And we are done. Okay. See you in next recording.